How to enable or disable screen flash notification on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then here tap on advanced settings. Next, we go down to the notifications section and tap on flash notification. After that, we go down and tap on screen flash notification. Tap on this toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now when you turn it on, you can select all apps or only selected apps. And here you can go down the list and choose which apps can use the screen flash notifications. And here you can also customize the color for each of the apps. So this app here, we have a pink flash notifications. And for say TikTok, I can choose a green notifications. And that's it. So after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.